Okay, so we have this kind of offset intersection that is not at right angles, and the crosswalks are really awkward. There's no LPI or exclusive ped phase or anything. It really should be. You can see you're allowed to turn right on a red from side street, but it's awkward because the crosswalk is not. It's kind of far away. So it's not great because someone makes a right turn on a red. Because the crosswalk is far away that the right turning driver can already be, it's like they have more time to get up to speed, and so if they do hit a pedestrian, then it has the potential to be worse. So really need to, I would say at least an LPI, but maybe even an exclusive ped phase.